welcome back to Dream of Duo Travels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Erin. Tonight we are at the Ticket and Transportation Center.
Yeah.
We are doing something that we've never done tonight. We're taking the FerryTale firework cruise, so that I believe we check in right back here to the left of the ferry boarding dock. Our check-in time is 8:45. Fireworks are at 10:15. When I booked this, it's our anniversary. I thought I was booking it for happily ever after. It's Halloween fireworks, but that's okay.
Still fireworks.
Should be a good time. So from what I understand, there's adult beverages, there's custom beverages that are non-alcoholic, there's cheese and dessert. So we'll show you what they have.
Yeah, they're gonna have a little bit of everything, and it's as much as you care to enjoy. So yeah, this should be kind of cool. Let's go see what they got. So this is the FerryTale fireworks check-in spot. Event does begin at 9 o'clock, and there is a check-in booth right here to the side. All right, so we just got checked in, and they gave us these cool lanyards. They're part of the firework viewing, so if you look through the Mickey ears, it gives you like a special hologram. Kind of just makes it a little more magical.
Yeah, we'll show you some of that. She said it will work through your camera, so we'll try and get you a little view of that.
We'll insert a sample here.
Yeah, when you come in, there's like a seating area where you can kind of hang out until it's time to leave. The boat doesn't leave until 9:50. They will not wait for you. If you wander off, they are not going to wait for you to come back. She said there's only one restroom on the boat, so they recommend using that before you board. But we'll go over and we'll see what the drink selection is here for pre-boarding really quick.
They got a few things here, just like sodas and water and stuff, I think. But definitely want to hit the restroom before you get here. And do not be late, because if you miss the boat, you just miss out.
Hello, how you doing?
Good.
Welcome.
Okay, so we got our drink from the bartender. This is Prosecco, Sprite, and a splash of green.
Cheers. That's not bad.
I don't know if it had a cute name. I think the ones on the boat do have a cute name to them.
Kind of a refreshing drink. Wasn't sure how I'd feel about this, but yeah, it's light. It's not like a heavy drink.
Oh, and also your lanyard. You can choose your
There's 3 different settings.
disco mode. I'm going with the non-migraine mode.
I think that one agrees with the camera better. The other one's a little psychedelic. Alright, so to give you an idea how these things work, you just look through and you see little magic Mickeys there. Now you know the secret. But yeah, the little viewfinder thing, it's neat. Just so you know, this is right next to the ferry boat entryway. This is where you check in. There's a few vending machines, and the restrooms are right here to the side. Very convenient. Well, we'll go back to our little corral holding area here until we load.
So it's a couple minutes till 9. Boarding starts at 9. And honestly, I thought there would be a lot more people here. So either there's a lot of stragglers, latecomers, or this is going to be an awesome experience with very, very low crowds. Yeah? This is the only thing I ever want to get. Give me my life.
FerryTale Fireworks Cruise. Take your time and watch your step on that gangway as you board.
Thank you. Thank you.
of the Seas Lagoon. A buffet of fine desserts and drinks awaits you. Enjoy.
So I got the watermelon margarita with rum instead of tequila. As we were boarding, they give us like these macarons. I don't know if they're supposed to be like a Halloween theme, maybe. Kind of a little monstery looking. And I think they call these fire pops, these little cake pops. And then we claimed us a little table here. The view should be right out this side. But I am flabbergasted by the fact that there is hardly anybody on here. I think most people went upstairs. Like, we got the place to ourselves. I am astonished.
Just a few moments. On our way, we'll travel 1 mile across the man-made Seas Lagoon, which took almost 3 years to excavate. We do ask that while on board, the stairs remain clear while the boat is in motion. Once again, welcome aboard.
So I'm gonna give this cake pop a try. That's pretty good. It's got like a gooey center. I'm not sure what the middle of that is. It's just like dipped in like an icing with I don't know, like little sprinkles on the outside. I can't tell what the inside of that is. Maybe Aaron will be able to figure out what that was. It's good. So this is the rum drink. It's not bad. You can definitely taste the lime in there. And there is a strong taste of rum to it. And we just set sail. Here we go. Pulling away from the dock. We are on our way over in front of Magic Kingdom.
Alright, so I got some cream puffs right there with like the Mickey medallion. I've got a brownie that does contain nuts. This, I believe, is key lime tart. I've got all kinds of cheese and grapes here. I see like manchego, Gouda. I think there was like some Swiss, maybe some cheddar, some crackers there. And this is some sort of panna cotta with boba. Alright, I'm gonna try this.
Please settle in for a magical night of
FerryTale
fireworks.
Cake pop. It's got like a mousse inside. I wasn't expecting that. It was good.
I couldn't place what's the flavor.
I don't know, it's kind of like a cherry, chocolatey kind of mousse.
It's different.
And also, so they said all of the desserts and cheese are upstairs and downstairs, but the beverages, the bar items, those are only on the first floor.
I've tried has been really good. This is some kind of cream puff. It's got like a, I don't know, like a chocolate medallion on top. And there's like a candy coating on the outside of the cream puff. It was good. I was telling Aaron all the cheeses that I've had.
Yeah, that's all I've tried so far. Is I tried one of each of the cheese. They're all really high quality, really good cheese.
Cheese is amazing. I'm gonna get some more cheese.
Yeah, me too. We didn't have dinner, so we were talking to a lady when we were sitting. She's like, "What do we do until the fireworks?" I was like, "I'm gonna eat cheese."
I mean, you wouldn't think that, you know, oh, I'm gonna come on fireworks cruise and eat cheese, but the cheese is really good.
Yeah, and I tried my drink too, and I like that. It's got a nice watermelon flavor to it.
Yeah. I was saying earlier that you could taste like the lime that's inside there,
Yeah.
and you can taste the rum that's in there, but it's not like overpowering. It's kind of a refreshing drink.
Yeah. I'm gonna try. I think this is a key lime tart. It's got like a real flour. I'm not getting the flour.
The macaroon kind of tasted like key lime.
Let me try it. Oh, it's cake on top. I couldn't figure out what this little thing on top was.
You may be able to catch 3 different
That's
modes of
fine.
transportation at once. The north side of this boat, where Disney opened Disney World with a statement where they go to park where all ages can laugh, play, and learn together. As you walk along the pavement tinted to mimic a red carpet, you enter into a world of imagination.
I'm gonna try the brownie.
I didn't care for it as much as I thought I would have.
It's dark. I think there's like a layer of peanut butter in there. It's okay. So this has got a bunch of boba. I think it's like a passion fruit panna cotta. I'm trying to get down to the bottom. There's like a layer in there. It's okay. You get a strong pop with that passion fruit, but the rest is just kind of like vanilla. It's not very thick. Okay. So this is the middle of one of those fire pop things.
Yeah, I dissected it. It's a creamy middle. I lost it. It's a creamy middle, but it's definitely like something kind of cherry. It's good though. They do have beer. I grabbed a Yingling. They got Bud Light as well, but it's something else you can have with your snacks.
They also have coffee and tea, and then there's a Party Cruise blue lemonade and ice water as well.
Here's another look at the little magic viewfinder. It's really cool. Should be neat. Just hold this up while you're watching the fireworks, and it make these out of the fireworks. Yeah, pretty cool.
The lemonade's just okay. It's kind of weak, kind of watered down. It tastes like real lemons, but I don't know. Could use a little more punch to it.
See the Contemporary here on our right. And then we'll be making our bend here in front of the castle. Should start turning. You'll see Space Mountain come into the left-hand side of the screen. Tron's right behind Space Mountain. I don't know if you can see, but they have the Halloween overlays going on. Kind of hard to make out, but they're there. It is kind of a dark night. I guess that adds to the spookiness. The castle's going to start coming in here to the left of the screen. Castle and the train station. There's the castle, and here comes the train station. Here's a view from the upper deck. when they were hot and fresh, they were probably amazing. So there is, for kids, a FerryTale firework cruise scavenger hunt. I mean, I guess you don't have to be a kid, you can do this yourself. But it gives you little like hints of where to find stuff throughout the ship. And you just walk around and find stuff. Just something to keep kids occupied, or if you wanted to go on a scavenger hunt as an adult, you can go around and find these things. just got done with our fireworks cruise. I thought it was pretty cool. It's a good view. It was a little smoky, so the smoke wasn't clearing out so you could see the fireworks as bright as possible.
It's humid today, so I mean, you have no control over that.
Yeah.
I think, and this is totally my fault, when I booked it, I just assumed it was happily ever after.
I would rather see happily
Yeah.
ever after. I think if we were to do this again, I would definitely want to do that.
And that's totally my fault. I didn't realize it was a party night when I booked it.
Doesn't matter. We still
know.
spent the night together. It was a fun night out.
Yeah, it was a good show, a good view. It's just the Halloween ones are projection heavy. It's, you know, you've got that storyline that you can't really follow, so you have like pauses in between the fireworks, whereas it's going to be more kind of continuous with Happily Ever After.
Well, and I wasn't happy with their audio on this shit. It felt like the audio was cutting out.
And I've heard other people say that and it cut out maybe like 3 times, but you know, it's not a make or break thing. I had a really good time.
Yeah, I would do this again. I mean, if you're going for like just the snacks and stuff, no, you're gonna be disappointed. But
No, it's $130. That includes tax and tip for your wait staff. Everybody was super nice, coming in, you know, clearing the table, all of those kind of things, you know, offering us things. So
it's all you care to enjoy. I mean, so get your fill of it.
Yeah, and the desserts were not like the typical kind of desserts that you get at like a buffet. These were better quality. I enjoyed the desserts, but better enjoyed the cheese. It was like
Surprisingly.
higher quality, like imported cheese. We made a dinner on it. We were going to go to Yachtsman tonight, and I kind of saw that this experience was available, and I thought this would be just something a little more memorable for our anniversary.
Yeah, change it up a little. I'm not disappointed. I'm glad we did it. We'll still get to Yachtsman at some point, but yeah, cool event. We had good weather. I mean, other than it just being a little humid.
Yep, you just book it online. I do think this normally books out quickly. I think we were kind of lucky to get the reservation, but there again, it could have been because it was the Halloween party and everybody was kind of trying to do the Happily Ever After version. But I'm glad we did it. It was a cool experience. Again, I said this earlier, but I cannot believe how few people were aboard. And I don't think that cannot possibly be normal. I don't even think there was 100 people.
Yeah, and maybe it's because it was the Halloween. I don't know, but I really thought there would be more people.
Yeah, that really made a difference, I'm sure. We had like nobody around us. It was, you know, for the most part quiet and private, and
Felt like we kind of had the boat to ourselves.
yeah. So anyway, I really enjoyed it. I would recommend this.
I'd do it again.
Yep, you can book it online. FerryTale Firework Cruise Experience.
Awesome. Well, I think we're going to wrap this up. Just remember to please like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell, let you know when we do other videos like these, which we do all the time. And just remember,
If you can dream it,
you can do it.
good night.
See ya. So just for information purposes, these things, they did not enhance the firework view. The fireworks are so far away, and maybe because of the smoke too. I mean, you look through and you couldn't really make out any of the hidden Mickeys, but just a cool little souvenir, something that the kids can be entertained with. But they do work if you hold it up to a light bulb.